Hey guys, this is George from Out of the Box Reviews, and this is the world's smallest mobile phone that actually works. The Melrose S10 is a miniature cell phone that I picked up for less than 25 bucks, and after fiddling around with it, I can tell you it's worth every single penny. I have two of these, so I'm going to give one away to a lucky viewer. All you have to do is like and leave a comment saying how you're going to use the phone. The box is in Chinese, so we can't get much information out of it, apart from the MP3 Terminator stuff that's written all over, which I think is because the phone is marketed as an MP3 player also. Take the cover off and you are greeted by the phone in a protective bag. We'll come back to it in a bit. You also get a mini USB charging cable and the user manual. And that's pretty much it. Let's have a closer look at the phone. Unsurprisingly, it's lightweight at 35 grams or 1.1 ounces. It has an 1-inch color display and it's powered by a 450 mAh battery, giving it a whopping 10 days standby time. Its body is 7.7 cm long, 3.5 cm wide and 1.2 cm thick. That makes it a little bigger than a AA battery. It is made mainly out of plastic, but the build quality is solid with nice details and it is both shockproof and dustproof. Although small in size, the keyboard is clear and well defined. The buttons give a very nice tactile feedback when you press them, along with a satisfying click sound. On the bottom of the phone you'll find the charging port and the microphone, while on the top you have the 3.5mm audio jack port and the flashlight. If you remove the battery, you gain access to the SIM card slot and a microSD card slot, with the maximum supported size being 32GB. Let's have a quick look at the menu. The screen is nice and bright, and although the colors seem a bit washed up, you can see the details easily. The menu is pretty basic. You have the audio player, which I guess is the MP3 player, messaging, phone book, call archives. The settings menu is pretty extensive, which was a nice surprise. With options for security and call settings, you can customize pretty much everything. You will also find an FM radio tuner and a multimedia menu, which gives you access to the sound recorder, the torch and the image viewer. There is also a Bluetooth menu which lets you connect to an external speaker, either for music playing or a hands-free call. Let's see how easy it is to find and connect to other devices. I have my Limus X05 here, so let's see how quick is the process. I'm not going to be testing sound here, but only the ease of use. And after only a few seconds, it has found all the Bluetooth devices in the room and has connected to the speaker. In the end, the S10 is not meant to replace your main device, but it is designed as a backup emergency phone, and for that it does the job very well. The calls I made were clear with no static, and considering the size, the extended battery life and the price, in my opinion this phone is a must-buy for everyone. Me personally, I will keep one in my car in case of an emergency. As I said, I will be giving one of these away, so make sure to subscribe, press the like button and leave a comment. This was Out of the Box Reviews, stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.